What if you could lose fat while doing nothing? Imagine your body turning into a fat-burning machine while you're fast asleep. Sounds too good to be true? Well, not anymore. In today's video, we're uncovering 10 proven nighttime habits that help your body torch calories, balance hormones, and burn fat while you rest. Stay till the end. Habit number 10 might be the one thing sabotaging your entire weight loss journey. Your last meal of the day can either help or hurt your fat loss goals. A heavy, carb-loaded dinner spikes insulin, which tells your body to store fat, not burn it. But a light, protein-rich meal stabilizes your blood sugar and keeps your metabolism humming well into the night. Protein takes longer to digest than carbs, which means you stay fuller for longer and reduce late-night cravings. It also helps with muscle repair and growth, which contributes to a higher resting metabolic rate. Think grilled chicken with greens, scrambled eggs with avocado, or a lean turkey stir-fry. Avoid sugar-loaded sauces or white rice that may derail your efforts. Your dinner should feel satisfying but not leave you feeling stuffed. Late-night snacking is one of the biggest fat loss killers. Eating too close to bedtime disrupts your digestion and insulin sensitivity, making fat storage more likely. When you stop eating by 8 p.m., or at least 2 to 3 hours before bed, you give your body time to focus on other essential processes, like repairing tissues and balancing hormones. Overnight, your body naturally dips into fat stores for fuel if it's not busy processing late-night snacks. Plus, this habit can help regulate your circadian rhythm and reduce bloating. Set a kitchen curfew and create a calming nighttime routine that signals to your body it's time to wind down. Instead of reaching for dessert or soda, try winding down with herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, lemon balm, or rooibos. These teas are caffeine-free and loaded with calming compounds that help reduce cortisol levels and relax your nervous system. Lower cortisol means less belly fat storage and better sleep quality. Some teas, like dandelion or ginger tea, can even aid digestion and reduce water retention. Make it a ritual. Pour yourself a warm cup, sit somewhere quiet, and give yourself permission to pause. This small habit can have massive fat-burning benefits over time. A calm body leads to a calmer metabolism. Doing gentle yoga or stretching for just 10 to 15 minutes before bed helps relieve muscle tension, reduce stress hormones, and prepare your body for deeper sleep. Focus on deep breathing and simple stretches like child's pose, legs up the wall, or seated forward folds. These moves not only improve flexibility, but also promote better digestion and lymphatic drainage, two often overlooked keys to weight loss. By activating your parasympathetic nervous system, this routine shifts your body from fat storage mode to recovery mode, where fat burning really thrives. Lowering your body temperature naturally before bed triggers melatonin, your sleep hormone. A warm shower or bath initially raises your body temperature, but as you cool off afterward, it signals your brain that it's time to sleep. This drop in body temperature is key to entering the deeper stages of sleep, when your body releases growth hormone and activates cellular repair. Growth hormone not only rebuilds muscle but also promotes fat metabolism. Adding Epsom salts can help relax muscles and replenish magnesium, further enhancing your fat-burning sleep cycle. A blue light from phones, tablets, and TV screens tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This disrupts melatonin production and delays the release of hormones critical for fat burning and recovery. Start powering down at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Use blue light filters or night shift modes on your devices. Better yet, replace screen time with reading, journaling, or guided meditation. Your eyes and your waistline will thank you. Your body naturally burns more calories in a cool, dark environment. Studies show that sleeping in a room around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius activates brown fat, a type of fat that actually burns energy to maintain your body temperature. You might want to add blackout curtains to block out artificial light, and try sleeping with a light blanket to encourage that brown fat activation. The darker and cooler your room, the deeper your sleep, and honestly, the better your fat-burning results. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral. It supports hundreds of bodily functions, including nerve function, muscle recovery, and hormone production. Taking a magnesium supplement or consuming magnesium-rich foods like almonds or dark chocolate before bed can, really enhance sleep quality and reduce nighttime awakenings. Supplements like melatonin, ashwagandha, or valerian root can also help. Just be sure to consult a doctor first. Quality sleep is non-negotiable for fat loss. Your mental state influences your physical results. Journaling, reflecting, or meditating before bed can dramatically reduce cortisol, the stress hormone directly linked to belly fat. Use this time to write down what you're grateful for, what went well today, or simply to breathe deeply and slow your thoughts. This habit helps improve emotional regulation, encourages consistency, and supports a healthy, fat-burning mindset. This one's the cornerstone. Skimping on sleep tanks your metabolism, increases cravings, and reduces your ability to burn fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every single night. When you sleep deeply, your body releases leptin and growth hormone, both essential for fat loss and appetite control. Less sleep means more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, leading to late-night binges and poor food choices the next day. Treat sleep like a priority, not a luxury. Which of these nighttime habits will you try tonight? Drop a comment below and let's build a better bedtime routine together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss episode 5, where we dive into early morning rituals that ignite fat burn all day long. Sleep smart, burn fat, only with Akraks Health and Fitness.